guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and Happy New Year! What's up? How is your 2021? We pray that 2021 itakuwa hapa. It will be fine. No worries. So today, straight to the point, I want to show you how I make my pumpkin soup. Okay? In fact, my son is waiting for the soup, so I just thought of recording this as fast as I can. So let's do this. I had already prepared these ingredients: some red onion, carrots, ginger, dhania, parsley, and some ginger. And here I have some mixed spices, yeah, and water, and some potatoes and pumpkin. Yeah, that's what's up. So it's just as simple as that. Let's start. So I'm going to heat my oil and I'll put my onion in. So if you know how to do this, if you do this, please, what am I saying? Okay. If you have ever done this, please share your recipe in the comments. I'll be glad to try out your recipe. Sawa sawa? Yeah. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell. We are back in YouTube, like we never left. Thank you. So yeah, onion. And I'll let it cook for some time, and I forgot to come with the lid. So yeah, let me get the lid. We are on. Oh, okay. We are back. All right. Now, please, I don't leave my onion to turn to color brown because I don't want that taste to change. So yeah, straight putting some garlic in. This garlic is too much. I want to chew some. I have a toothache, so I think it will help. It does help. So just to sprinkle some kidogo over there. I love that aroma. It's amazing. The neighbors will start coming thinking I'm cooking pilau. All right. And action. Carrots. Show them. We have some carrots inside. And I'm going to cover this for like 2 minutes so we can cook. And we'll be back shortly. So we're gonna put this in. I've mixed the leaves and the sticks together. Oh, I forgot to leave some for garnish. It's alright. Put some of it. And I will start. I'm shooting. All right. Oops. What's popping? Hi. I love that aroma. It's amazing. So I'm going to go in with my spice and some salt. Two minutes. So it's the time to put it together. And you start. Delicacies. This is healthy food. I can't wait. I've been craving these of late. The craving that I'm having this January, I don't even have to understand, but it's okay, it's fine. At least I'm craving healthy food. Yeah. So let's test the salt. So let's just leave it for like 3 minutes. At this point I can add some heat. Yeah. Star. Now, where are you going? Come back here. Mbona huyu anaponyoka? So let's put the soup. And some more soup. Like you could meat later. Now let's wait for the soup to. Let's wait for this concoction here. Ive. Kizungu imekataa. Acha tungoje ive. Salt check. Spices check. Now let us wait. Enough. I'll add the 5 liter also. Aha! Sasa mambo yetu iko tayari, nashuku. Yeah, it's ready. It's already, guys. So, tunafaa tuitoe kwa moto. Esa. And I need a spoon. Oh my god, a serving spoon. Yes, so now we need to blend everything. Guys. Blending of the soup. I'll be right back.
One. Continuing.
Let's check. Our soup is ready. Let me just add some more soup inside. Blending some more, just a few minutes. We are done. So done. So let's serve the soup now. Just going to serve it direct from here. Yeah. Hot. Hot and yummy. Hot and yummy. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So let's do some finish over there. And this other one over there. Yes. So let's do the tasting, guys. I don't know whether I should get the photos first before I taste them, but I can't wait. Yeah. It's amazing. It's amazing. And if I could have some butter, I could have added some butter as well. But it's so yummy. I love it. I love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you try it out. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Now, let me take the photos first for Instagram and all. So, guys, you can follow me on Instagram. My name is Suzzie Actress. Facebook, Suzzie Actress, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you, and don't skip the ads. We are getting paid by you watching the ads as well. Bye.